everyone, this is Saugandhika. Today I would like to discuss my learnings from one of the greatest personality. He is David Goggins. He is a retired Navy SEALs officer. He has worked so hard in order to become Navy SEALs officer. He has lost around 45 kgs in a matter of 3 months. That's really huge change. From 140 kgs he has become super fit, and even though doctors advise that he cannot work out, like his body is not adaptable to work out, he worked so hard, which means that he is so determined and he wanted so badly. He want to achieve it at any cost, no matter what happens, no excuses, nothing comes. Even though something comes also, his focus is completely on what he want, and that's the reason he achieved it. And from that great personality I have extracted few learnings, and I'm going to discuss those learnings right now. First thing is, you are using only 40% of your brain capacity. Yes, for example, when you are working out, you are doing pull-ups, push-ups, or jumping jacks, whatever it may be. For example, consider jumping jacks. You have started with 1 and you have come to 10, and then 20, and then 25 it starts paining, and 30 it pains more. At that point of time, brain gives you signals like it's paining so much, it's like you are unable to bear it, let's stop it. Like that, your brain starts trying to taking over you. That point of time, you have to try to take control over your brain, and that's where 40% rule comes in. He says that what's that 40% rule means. At that point of time, when you feel pain, uncomfortable, or scared, or fearful, whatever it may be, some negative emotion, some stopping emotion that you are facing, then you have to try to progress. I've come till here, let me try little more. There is a saying that when the pain starts is where the progress starts. Till then it's like you have done nothing. You have to start counting from the point where you get pain. And the second thing is, be raw and real to yourself. What does that raw and real means? It means that you have to be so true to yourself, you have to be loyal to yourself. For example, if you are fat, you have to accept that fact. You have to see in mirror, like you have to tell to yourself, like you have to see yourself how you are and where you want to be. You have to decide that. If you are not accepting the truth, then where will the change starts, right? You have to accept the truth, and you have to move on, and you have to try to change yourself. We human beings want to be surrounded by the people who makes us feel comfortable. For example, if you want to get up early in the morning and you want to go for jogging, but you will say like I'm unable to get up, I'm feeling like so sleepy, I want to sleep for 1 more hour. Then you want to listen from your friend that okay fine, that's okay fine, sleep, what's there, you can go do it later also. Like that, you want to listen some things which makes you feel comfortable. For suppose you don't want to listen, like hey no, at any cost you have to get up and go for jogging, that's so important. Your brain feels uncomfortable for that, so you always try to be in the people who makes you feel great and comfortable. That when you are like that, change will not be there. You cannot accept yourself what you are also. When you are unable to, when you are in a situation to unable to accept yourself, then where the change starts. The second and the next thing is, you have to understand yourself, face it, accept yourself, and then face it, whatever may be the situation. You are fat and you want to change your personality, you want to become fit, then you have to accept and start working on it. Even though you lose around like 1 kg 2 kg, whatever it may be, small weight also, but that is a great success for you. You are not just stable, you are progressing day by day. When you are progressing, you will see the changes. It is said like that, no, like small drops make a mighty ocean. Like small things which you are doing right today will make a big changes in yourself tomorrow, day by day, but you have to be consistent in what you are doing. And the next thing, accepting and changing. After that, you have to set your goals, like where you are right now and where you want to be in the future. For that goals, you have to analyze yourself, you have to strategize. While analyzing, you have to think, what is my strength, what is my weakness, where I have to put more time, where I have to put less time, and what are the strategies I need to apply. For example, you are preparing for the job interview, and then you are working so hard for it, you are working from weeks together, months together, but when the interview day comes, you will feel like so tense and so uncomfortable. Sometimes your brain says no, like just stop and let's prepare for the other interview. But you should not try to allow it to take over you have to take control over your brain. For that, you have to make strategies, you have to talk to yourself, you have to go in front of mirror, expose yourself, like ask questions to yourself, answer yourself what the interviewer asks and how you will answer. All these kind of things, like small strategies you have to develop, so that you can improve yourself, you can progress yourself. Summarize, the first thing is your brain uses only 40% of your brain capacity, and the second thing is you have to be real and true to yourself in order to change yourself. Third thing is accepting and facing it. Fourth thing is how to achieve your goals. You have to strategize and you have to work on it. Hope you understood the key learnings, and you try to think over yourself, like try to self questioning yourself. If you question yourself then and think over it, then you get more visibility and like more clarity about what you want in life. This time, tell yourself no excuses. No matter what happens, I am going to do what I want to do in life, and I am going to achieve it. No matter what happens, I am not going to stop myself. No mediocrity, only greatness I want. Like that, you tell yourself and start with your goals. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.